Alright, mela. ħanaħmu daqxejn fuq legs and shoulders illum, alright, għandu daqxejn bil-warm-up, sa' kien nispiegalkom daqxejn l-affarijiet. Għandkom zon weights, ok, jew inkella friskun tal-ilma, jew inkella any type of can, tal-ikel jew hekk, jew xi detergents, ok, importanti li jkollkom xi ħaġa għall-exercises, ok? Skipping rope jekk għandkom, u met, għax għandna exercise on the knees wieħed imma mhuwiex essenzjali. Alright? Mela. High knees.
Prepare. Work. Prepare.
Okay, guys. Back kicks. Spiegakom kif ħajkun il-rounds, ħajkun round 1 fejn ħannużaw iktar weights u round 2 fejn ħanifukaw iktar fuq cardio. Alright? Il-round 1 ħatkun 40 seconds each exercise u mbagħad nieħdu 60 seconds rest wara round sieħa u t-tieni round ħatkun 30 seconds għax ħatkun iktar active fuq il-qalb. Alright? Ready? 3, 2, 1, and sprint. Let's go. Very good, bil-ritmu. That's it, so much better, well done. Verament, do everything at your own pace. Keep it going, keep it going. Alright, għamlu erba high knees, erba back kicks, erba high knees, erba back kicks. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good, keep it going.
I thought we'd be better together, but suddenly we got torn. I felt my world glued together, but I think it was all for the better. Like a love letter, I'm now feeling better. The prison
Last
you let
push.
me in.
Alright, very good. Tricking on this foot. Araw, tidux fi xorbu, ħanibdew military raises. 5 seconds.
3, 2,
Weights up. Military raises, let's go. Pero, dawn exercises għall-ewwel round m'għandhomx għalfejn tużaw il-fil minħabba l-ammont ta' repetitions li għandhom, alright?
Three, two, one.
Kneeling on your knees. Rear flies. Mamma flies for your knees. That's it. Very good. Takkaraw ma tirsal daru chest lifting.
Three, two, one.
Very good, well done. Għandkom 60 seconds left. Jekk tistgħu tagħmlu skipping rope, ħanaqdu l-skipping rope ma jistax ħajamel jew jogging on the spot jew star jumps, okay? Li kont ngħidilkom għall-ewwel round hija taqbdux weight tqil għax jiena rrid minn għandkom ħafna reps. Alright, aħjar ħafna reps milli ftitu tieqfu. Okay? Preparaw l-skipping rope. Ready?
3, 2, 1. Work.
Okay, so during our variations and exercises, let's go down the skipping rope.
One.
Alright, come on, good weight. Three for exercise, one forward and back. Then you go on the first routine. Go for the sugar. That's ġibom la chest, ġibom ma chest, kull darba. Ġibom ma chest, barra, chest, lura qudiem, chest, lura qudiem.
3, 2, 1.
Waist down. Side shuffle. Let's go. As fast as possible. Fast as possible. Hold on, heart rate and use your arms. Use your arms. Come on. Very good. Very good. Very good.
You've got me saying what's in my head.
Want you to use your whole body. Come on.
These images, yeah. And it's the way that you look at me. Makes me feel like I can't breathe. It ain't right.
3, 2, 1.
Alright, come on, squat hold. One high, the weights.
Oh no, you're calling my phone. I'm being alone. Staying faithful and I'll never know when you're coming back around. When you're coming back around.
Però Matteo si è edha at a 90 degree angle. Very good. Keep going. Ora andiamo a side squat jumps. 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
2, 1.
Side squat jumps. A squat, my lower. Good. 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 Il-distanza ta' qabża lahu ma nxafet kbira, rajt l-importanti li side squats u tinsu kull darba, that's it. Good. Ovvijament ikadkom l-spazju fil-free. 5 seconds, umuru għal mountain climbers, let's go!
3, 2, 1.
Mountain climbers!
It's got me all in my feelings. Like I can die without you next to me. It's the way that you look at me. Makes me feel
3, 2, 1.
Dines, come on, front jumps, touch the ground, touch the ceiling, ground, ceiling, very good, mi ma jistax jaqbes, squat ja, squat, and tiptoes, squat, iridkom tizdu il-batata mux minn darkom, il-batata, very good. 5 seconds and you rest, just push.
2, 1. Rest.
Very good, well done. Għalġu naqdu l-weight, alright? Għandkom 1 minute rest, 6 seconds. Morru għall-lower round. Għamilna 15 minutes diġa għal-ħawa. Għamlu lateral raises. L-istiqnar tal-V raises ma tis jista' jkun idej jagħmlu l-movement ta' V mhux U. Alright? Five seconds.
3, 2, 1. Work. Three,
Try
two,
some extensions.
one.
Let's go.
Work.
Well, the Amaral warning.
They call me Thomas, last name Crown. Recognize game, I'ma lay mine down. They call me Thomas, last name Crown. Recognize game, I'ma lay mine down. They call me Thomas, last name Crown. Recognize game, I'ma lay mine down. They call me Thomas, last name Crown. Recognize game, I'ma lay mine down.
Three,
They call me Thomas,
two,
they call me Thomas,
one.
they call me Thomas, they call me Thomas, they call me Thomas, they call me
Morning.
Thomas, they call me Thomas, they call me Thomas, they call me, 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 they call me Thomas, last name Crown. Recognize game, I'ma lay mine down.
Stay in on the gym.
They call me Thomas.
Well, the Amaral raises. Good.
Two, one. Work.
Raises. Perfect. Much better. Well done. Alright. 5 seconds. Amaral presses. Alternate presses.
Two, one.
Let's go. Come on. Alternate presses.
I can't keep my mind off you. Will you wait? Do you mind if I come through? Hey,
Those
I can't
are
keep
it.
my
Those
mind
are it.
off you.
Come on,
I can't keep my mind off you. 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 Here come Thomas, last name Crown. Recognize game, I'ma lay my style.
10 seconds left. Good up.
Here come Thomas.
5, 4,
Three, two, one.
and roll.
Here come Thomas. Here come Thomas, last name Crown. Recognize game, I'ma lay my style.
2, 1.
Forward, kneeling, rear flies on your knees. And flies. Kif qed naraw once inkunu fuq in-nies qed nillimitaw minn fejn tiġi s-saħħa. Alright? Seconds left. Keep it going on with it. Ten seconds. 5, 4,
3, 2, 1.
and rest.
Rest between sets.
Very good. Okay, ħamorru għall-aħħar round, alright? 30 seconds on each exercise. One of those is skipping rope, jew nkella jumping jacks. Jew jogging on the spot. Ejku kol. Seconds left. Positions. Ready?
3, 2, 1. Work. Three, two, one.
Punches forward and backwards. هنبدأ من chest. البايرة. Chest. البايرة. Left hand.
He's been waiting round to the night. Always taking chances, all those conversations. Don't know if we'll make it, don't know why he
Almost dead. Almost dead. Why? One more side jumping.
2, 1. Work.
Side jumping. Fast, fast, fast. Let's go, speed. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Stay down to the ground. Stay down to the ground. Stay down to the ground.
Running on one last football.
3, 2, 1. Work.
Stop. Reach the needle. Football. On the low in this potato. Side to side squat jumps.
3, 2, 1. Work.
Side to side squat jumps. Very good squat. With every jump, you have to squat. So what's I know? Call me number squat. I'm my stasha best.
Three, two,
Multi climbers.
work.
Ma jista jinżel ma lajt ġeri kom l-exercise ma t-tejs jistaw taħdu bil-blok il-multi climbers. Very good, 5 seconds to one frog jump.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Work.
Big squat. deep breaths. Alright, nagkodejna wara rasna.
Ready?
Neħdu jdejna qoddim. Kemm jista' jkun ħanollu għal fuq u nħossu l-stretch. Change arm. Alright, nħdu jdejna wara. Ħanollu kemm jista' jkun il-fuq. Olli l-fuq kemm jista' jkun. Nżommu ċest dritt. Għalissa titawġux. Okay, ħaninżlu issa bidejna wara. Ħaniftu saqajna. Ħaninżlu kemm jista' jkun ħanżommu jdejna fuq kemm jista' jkun. Għax għafen tinżlu iktar minn 90 degrees. Alright? Ħalli intom tkun tistgħu tieħdu n-nifs iktar b'mod faċli. Okay, relax your arms. Stretch down. Provaw ġibu raskom kemm jista' jkun close tal-irkoppa. Okay, għandu s-siq. Importanti li sajna ta' wara għat nisċatta mal-art u b'dalli u marħarsu qudiem. Dajkom dritt, importanti ħafna. Musaqajkom b'dalli u mal-art. Change leg. ċatta mal-art saqajka wara. Kemm issibu l-bilanċ. Alright, ħafna ħal-squat jaw, b'sqajna miftuħin kemm jista' jkun. Għastek kif ħanagħmlu sumo squat u ħanimbuttaw il-knees bl-elbow. Ħanfajt nstretchjaw il-groin area. L-ħata ġewwa, right? Niddiru waħda lejna ma tgħidx jekk jogħġbok.
Three, two, one.
Alright, very good. Stand up, shake legs, relax, shake arms. 3, 2, 1. Very good, well done. Very nice.
Sara ta' super bomba, ħejtu ħafna stress, sfugajtu, boostjajtu l-immune system, xekajtu s-saqaj, il-kor, idejna, kullu kien ħadilna l-lum. Xawar tajba, forsi xi ħaġa ħafifa x'tiklu, jekk wasal biex tiklu, u apprezzaw il-fatt li għandkom in-nifs, għandkom l-enerġija,